Morning, y'all. Welcome back to another video. Just woke up. As you can see, got a crazy cool hairstyle going on right now. Shout out to my bed making that. Today it's gonna be quick because my sister just came in from Nebraska and I want to hang out with her and her new baby, and I have not seen him, so it'll be a short day. But we're going to do customer orders and then we'll be done. So it's gonna be very short. Do you guys want to see what's going on outside? Nervous to open this because I've literally been blocking this out, but we will find out. And all right, head level. At least it's kind of blocking now, but geez, crazy. Anyways, I'm gonna go eat, get some coffee in my system. We'll get to work, we'll be done, and then I'll show you yesterday's revenue to show you how much money that we made. A successful Tuesday. We got all of our packages out. Thank you so much for watching. Now let's go over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money that we made. All right, guys, so starting with eBay, we made $35, which is not bad. We made $39 on our Shopify store on Quality Prints USA, and we made $386.94 on Amazon. So a total of $461 yesterday in revenue, which is not bad. So we are now at $11,859 in revenue this month. We're hoping to hit $5,000 this month. Hopefully we can get a deal or a contract with with the people for my hats in one of these shops. So pray for me. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I know this is a lot shorter than usual, but I gotta go see my sister and the kids. So, and then if you guys want to see me hit $30,000 a month, subscribe down below. Make a video almost every single day other than the weekends, showing you the ups and downs of business and until I hit $30,000 a month. So see you guys tomorrow. Happy Tuesday. Peace out.